Welcome to PowerPress Pro. This is Brian St. Armand. Okay, so let's get started. This first video is just going to be a simple introduction to the PPP system and the members area. I just want to show you real quickly so that once you get started, you'll know exactly what's going on here. If you're a brand new user, we have a PPP quick start guide. You can basically get all the information you need right here in one spot to get you going. And so as part of the PowerPress Pro system, we have all the different tools here, trainings and support area, and also some miscellaneous buttons down here. And so I want to talk about the tools real quick. First thing, what we're doing with PowerPress Pro is we are creating mass content for websites to build up that domain authority. And we're doing that all keyword based. We're going to build content for hundreds and hundreds and thousands of keywords, SEO optimized for those search phrases, both short-tailed and long-tailed, to achieve those high rankings in the search engines. And so we do that. First, we need content. We got to have content. So the article press, you can type in some keywords here and an action word about that keyword. What is it about that keyword that you want content for? You can select the readability and your word count, and the article press will generate that content for you. And so once you have your content, you can start building that PPP profile. And so once you have your content, you're going to need some keywords. This keyword press is a tool that will take some user input from you, some adjectives. You can type in different descriptive terms, some nouns, plumber, toilet, whatever it may be, whatever your market's going to be, and then some qualifying type of words, company, service, installation, and this will generate some long-tailed and also short keyword phrases, both short and long. And you can also type in a city and state and generate a large keyword list for those rankings. And those keywords are going to be used in that content from the article press to generate all those pages of unique content for many different keywords. And you can also save your profiles so that you can load them later. So PowerPress Pro, you're able to keep track of everything that you do. Another thing I want to show you is the Spintax press. The Spintax press basically will take all the content that you generate and put it into Spintax form with your variables, and that will give you millions of unique versions of your article, and so that you can have unique content. This is not your run-of-the-mill Spintax. This is high-quality Spintax. And so once you have your Spintax, the next thing you're going to do is create that profile that will generate your actual pages. So all the tools are internal to PowerPress Pro here. And so the content press, this content press is where you will begin to create the actual profile for your PPP run. And so these profiles, you're going to create some variables, and we'll get into more training on this later on. This is just an introduction of the tools. This is where everything comes together. Your page titles, descriptions, page tags, your final HTML code, your template for the actual PPP run. This is going to be where your Spintax gets inserted. You'll give the batch a name and then select how many pages you want to generate. You can save your profile. You can do some test spinning. You can even import and export the settings for saving backup purposes. Once you submit this project, it's going to generate those pages. It's going to put them on the PowerPress Pro server. And then from there, you're going to actually import that content into your WordPress website. And you do that with our import plugin, which you can get right here. Just download that import plugin. That plugin goes on your WordPress site, and it communicates securely with our PPP servers to pull in that content on a schedule. And so you can actually slow drip feed your content. Another great thing about PowerPress Pro is we already have pre-built templates for you. As you can see here, we have some video tutorials, a description of some variables that we use. You can load profiles that are pre-built. We pre-build these for you in this section. I'll go ahead and load one. And as you can see here, we have some variables with some information, like phone number, website URL, put your domain here. And so, again, there'll be a lot more training on how to do this and what it is. And so what we have here is just a basic understanding of a profile, and then you can generate those pages, and it's all done for you. So it's kind of a done-for-you solution. And then, of course, we have a support section. We have training, video tutorials, how-to guides, user support. You can always contact us. We've got multiple groups going on, whether it be Facebook, Skype, or some other chat platform. And so that's pretty much it for an introduction to PPP. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.